Welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in previous videos I explained some of the dictionary methods. So in this video I am going to explain about the keys, values and items. These methods I am going to explain in this video. So please walk through with me. Let me explain with the code. So let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So here is the environment. Yeah. So let me take an example. What is keys method? If you want to see only the keys without values, that means dictionary format always is key and value, but if you want to see only the keys without values, we have like a method is available, that is nothing but keys. So let me write a code print of dict1 dot keys of, you can see what are the keys: name, location, age. These are the keys. Next, values. Values method is there. So let me take this example. So in this case, I want to see only the values without keys. Then how to write? Simply print dict1 dot values of. Now you can see what are the values here: Lalit, Bangalore and 30. But if you want to see the item, that means a pair of item, key and value, both if you want to see it, you can use the items method. Let me show you. Just take the same example here. So print of dict1 dot items of. Now you can see it is in tuple form. So first item, second item and third item. So this is the items method. So in next video I am going to explain the rest of the methods from keys and set default method. So see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Thank you.